Okay, this video is from lesson 6 practice. We're doing number 2 here. Okay, and the first thing we always want to do is we always want to look, is there a GCF between my three terms? So when I look at my three terms, 4n squared minus 8m minus 5, is there a number you can divide away from the 4, the negative 8, and the negative 5? And the answer is no, there's not going to be a number there. Is there a variable that's the same? No, not as well. So now you don't have a GCF. So now we have to go, well, how many terms are there? Well, I have 1, 2, 3 terms. If I have a 3-term polynomial or a trinomial, I want to identify what A is, what B is, and what C is. Okay, so A 4, B negative 8, and C negative 5. So here goes A m squared plus bm plus C. So once we have our A, B, and our C, we want to use our factor x's. A times C up here, so 4 times negative 5 are negative 20, and B down here, negative 8. So we want to find two numbers that can multiply to negative 20, but add up to negative 8. So you're going to think of a couple different things. You have 4 times 5, 10 times 2, 20 times 1. Hopefully one of those combinations of numbers will work out to be negative 8. In this case, it's going to be a 10 and a 2, because the 8 is negative, the 10 has to be negative. So negative 8 times 2 is negative 20, and negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. Now, because A is not 1, what we have to do is we're going to take our original quadratic, 4m squared minus 8m minus 5. We're going to take our middle value, B, and we're going to break it up to the two parts that we found in the factor boxes. The first term, 4m squared, doesn't change, and the last term also doesn't change. Now what we've created is, instead of having a trinomial, 3 terms, we have 4 terms. And anytime we have 4 terms, we are going to group our 2 terms each. And we're going to factor out the greatest common factor. So what number divides in both the 4 and 10? 2. And they also share an m, so m. So the factor 2m comes out. 4 divided by 2 is 2. M squared divided by m is just m. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5, and the m goes away. We're going to do the same thing here. 2m minus 5. Now, there is no greatest common factor, but there really is, because you could always divide a 1 from everything. So plus 1 I can divide away, and I'm left with 2m minus 5. These two parentheses should be the same. I factor them out in front. What's left is a 2m plus 1. These are our factors of 4m squared minus 5n, or minus 8m minus 5.